Good morning to everybody. Here JVN Dr. Nidhi Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science. Today's topic is trituration. In homeopathy, what are the uses of trituration and what are the purpose of trituration? An unique method of the preparation of homeopathic medicines which contains the vital elements and active ingredients of the original drug substances. The action of the medicines are sure. Triturations are prepared according to the rules laid down by the homeopathic pharmacopoeias. Drugs are prepared in sugar of milk as a base material. Some drugs are prepared in absolute alcohol, especially used for manufacturing of homeopathic medicines. Triturations in milk sugar or sugar of milk. One part of the original drug substances is taken by weight, mixing with the 9 part of sugar of milk. The mixture is grinded with the help of mortar and pestle as directed in the pharmacopoeia. This is the first potency of trituration and is indicated 1x or D1. This process is known as decimal scale potency. Liquid decimal scale. Liquid decimal scale potency is prepared in same manner. 1 part of homeopathic mother tincture mixing 9 part of absolute alcohol, shaking vigorously. This is known as 1x or D1 potency. Now trituration in alcohol. 1 part of mother tincture of the original substance by volume by weight, mixing with the 9 parts of the absolute alcohol. Drug power. 1x potency have drug power. For example, step 1. 1 gram of iodine is mixed with 9 gram of sugar of milk. Step 2. The total substance is 10 gram. Step 3. Each gram contains 100 milligram drug substance. Uses of trituration. Indicated homeopathic triturations are used in 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams at a time per dose. Triturations are used in generally in 3x or D3 or 6x or D6 potency. Unless and until not indicated, some triturations are used in 1x or 1D oblique 2x or 2D potency. Repetition of doses. Generally, homeopathic trituration are prescribed in single. Mixture of one or more triturations are possible when symptoms and syndromes agree or match with the patient complaints. Description and uses of some homeopathic triturations. Carbovax 3x, an important homeopathic trituration used in the following complaints: flatulence, wind formation, poor digestive functions, physical weakness, sluggishness feelings. Next, Haposulf 3x, used in healing of all nature of wounds, whatever they may be, helps to separate abscess, boils. Gunpowder 3x, used in skin disorders, skin infections, dermatitis of all natures. Radium bromide 3x, used in skin disorders of all nature, relieves cancer pain. Centonine 3x, used in all kinds of intestinal worms. It kills the ovum of intestinal worms of any nature. Chinium As 3x, used in malaria fever and malaria-like fever syndromes. Preventive of malaria fever. When malaria fever is very common, one dose daily prevents the person from malaria fever and malaria-like syndromes. Ovatosta 3x, female remedy, used in females' genitourinary inflammatory conditions, used in pelvic inflammatory disease condition, best medicine for leukorrhea and leukorrhea-like syndromes. Now Calcarea iode 3x, used in all nature of glands, cancer glands, cystic glands, lymph glands, thyroiditis, goiter. In homeopathy, large numbers of trituration are used with accurate result on depending the condition of the patient of the disease, that is may be chronic or may be acute. Thank you for listening.